Hello everyone, we are here to teach you alphabet in Hausa. Please subscribe, comment and share on our channel. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. Yeah. A, I, U, O, E. Ba, Bi, Bu, Bo, Be. Cha, Chi, Chu, Cho, Che. Da, Di, Du, Do, De. Fa, Fi, Fu, Fo, Fe. Ga, Gi, Gu, Go, Ge. Ha, Hi, Hu, Ho, He. Ja, Ji, Ju, Jo, Je. Ka, Ki, Ku, Ko, Ke. La, Li, Lu, Lo, Le. Ma, Mi, Mu, Mo, Me. Na, Ni, Nu, No, Ne. Pa, Pi, Pu, Po, Pe. A, I, U, O, E. Ra, Ri, Ru, Ro, Re. Sa, Si, Su, So, Se. Ta, Ti, Tu, To, Te. Wa, Wi, Wu, Wo, We. Za, Zi, Zu, Zo, Ze. Ya, Yi, Yu, Yo, Ye. Za, Zi, Zu, Zo, Ze. Almost this X and Z are almost the same. So we have to give you some of our examples where you understand much better. When we take here, this ba and bu, babu. Babu in Hausa means nothing. Ba, bu. You can take, when we take this one, wa, you can double it as in wa, 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 wa. You can put it 2 times. Wawa. Wawa in Hausa is an insult. It means mumu.
Or idiot.
Eh?
Or idiot.
You don't pause am. You don't pick. When we take here, ko, and this wa here, kowa, it means everybody. When we take this one and still this one, muwa. Us. When you take only this one, zo, it means come. When you take this one and this one, tafi, it means go. When you take this one 2 times, as in take it, double it, baba, it means father. When you take this one too, mama. Mother. When you take this one, yaya. Means brother. When you take this one, take this one, take this one, and take this one. Here, 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 here. Let's put it here. It means toilet. Makewayi, makewayi, toilet. When you take this one, take this one, take this one again. Means market. When you take this one, take this one again. Nawa means how much. Hello, this is the end for today's video. Alphabet in Hausa. This is the end. So if you have any question, drop it on the comment center. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Bye.